morning, fam. You're stepping into a brand new day. But first, we're going to wake up your body, stretch every muscle, and fill you with energy. In just 5 minutes, this flow will have you feeling loose, strong, and ready to conquer anything. Are you ready, fam? Let's flow. Imagine you're grounding yourself, taking root. Start in child's pose. Sink your hips back into your heels. Stretch your arms out and let your forehead rest on the mat. Feel your body settle in. Let the earth hold you. Breathe deeply. Now rise into cobra stretch. Flow forward, lowering your hips as your chest lifts up. Inhale as you open up your heart to the sky. Then exhale as you glide back into child's pose. It's a gentle wave, flowing between grounded stillness and open-hearted strength. Let your body move with the rhythm of your breath. Now press up into downward dog. Picture yourself like an inverted V. Hips high, heels reaching for the floor. Spread your fingers wide, pressing into the mat as your spine lengthens. Hold here. And if your legs feel tight, go ahead and pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time. Every movement brings you closer to release. Your hamstrings stretch, your back loosens, and your breath becomes part of the flow. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Feel your body sinking deeper into the stretch. Let's bring more movement into the spine with cat-cow. Come onto all fours. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky. This is cow pose, a stretch that opens up your entire front body. Now exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Imagine your spine as a river flowing smoothly from one curve to the next. With each breath, you create more space. Space to move, space to breathe, space to let go of any stiffness and tension. Keep flowing, fam. Now, activate balance and strength. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Imagine you're reaching long, your fingertips reaching for the horizon, your toes pointing away. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to bring your elbow and knee together beneath you. Each movement is controlled, steady, like pulling a bowstring taut. You're building strength in your core, your back, and your legs, all working in harmony. Feel the connection between your movements, the balance that flows through your body. Let's switch sides. Extend your left arm forward, your right leg back. Reach out like you're growing taller with each breath. Inhale, stretch long. Exhale, bring everything together. It's not just about the movement. It's about the control, the focus, the quiet strength you're building in the center of your body. Feel your core engage, your glutes activate. Every stretch, every contraction is a step toward a stronger, more balanced you. Let your breath carry you through this final minute, setting the tone for the rest of the day. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and found your flow. But why stop here? Keep the momentum going. Check out another stretching video to keep those muscles loose, or dive into a home workout to build some strength. And better yet, try a calming meditation to center your mind. You've set the tone. Now, let's carry the energy through the day. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go!